Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Make sure both you and your child have Apple ID with two-factor enabled so transactions are secure. Open Wallet, tap the Apple Cash card, then choose Set up Family to invite your child through family sharing. Once done, verify your identity when prompted and enable the appropriate spend and request permissions. This prevents accidental purchases and lets you control limits while allowing the child to learn responsible spending. Next, fund the family Apple Cash account and configure controls. Add money from your bank or linked debit card so the child has a balance. Set a recurring allowance or make one-time transfers to teach budgeting. Then adjust spend and request limits and require parental approval for payments, which keeps larger purchases blocked. Teach your child how to send a request and explain why approvals exist. Make sure to regularly review transaction history in Wallet and use screen time or family settings to monitor habits. To finish, instruct the child on everyday use and final controls so they spend responsibly. Show how to pay with Apple Cash and Messages at contactless terminals using Apple Pay or transfer funds back to your bank when needed, and explain why transfers may require identity verification. If a problem appears, transactions fail or limits block payments, sign out and back into iCloud, update iOS, and confirm banking and identity details. These steps resolve most sync or verification errors and restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.